Rizzy Farms guys visited the Falkirk Wheel in Scotland. We observed this beautiful engineering marvel lift a fully loaded tour boat 100 feet from the Forth Clyde Canal up to the Union Canal in just minutes. Another tour boat was lowered in the same operation. The world's only rotating boat lift, the Falkirk Wheel, links the Forth Clyde Canal to the Union Canal 35 meters above, allowing vessels to sail through the sky, thanks to a unique fusion of art and engineering, and only using the same power it would take to boil 8 kettles. The Falkirk Wheel opened in 2002 and replaced a flight of 11 locks that once stepped the Union Canal down to the level of the Forth Clyde, more than 100 feet below. The Falkirk Wheel allows vessels to transit between the two waterways in just a few minutes. 10 hydraulic motors provide power through a 100-to-1 gear reduction, making for a 4-minute trip. Scottish Canals cares for 137 miles of waterway network, including 17 reservoirs for lochs, including Loch Ness, and is responsible for 5 canals. Thanks for watching, Rizzy Farms guys.